Hey, I have behind me here is a 26 Range Rover SC long wheelbase. So it's got 7-passenger capability. Real fast, what I just wanted to show you is if you ever are out and you get a flat tire or if you need to remove the tire, two things. You don't get spares with these. You get this mobility kit. And just, this is just information only. What it does is it comes with a pump and a bottle of like latex from Continental. And what you do is you connect this to the mobility pump, which goes into your cigarette lighter. It's just a little plasticky thing, but that is how they handle a flat tire. So you're not removing the tire. FYI, no spare in there. Now the other thing, if for some reason you got a crew coming or somebody's got to remove the tire, and they may not know this, in this little mobility kit that just sits here in the back is this little plastic, looks like a little clip for, who knows, adorn your eyebrows, whatever. Well, what this is, it's just one of them things that somehow it's going to get lost. Your lug nuts all have plastic caps. This cap is about a 24 mil. So do not let your guy put a 24 mil socket on there and try to take the lug off. It's very deceiving. The lug itself, you just get in there. These have two like little lips around it. So you can catch each lip and pull that off. Real simple. But it's one of them things, man. It's going to get lost. And then the lug itself is a 19 mil. So there you go. Just a little tidbit on these Range Rovers. I don't know how many years it goes back like that, but this is a 26, and you're looking about $160K for an optioned out one of these.